What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Adriana and welcome to Audrey Loves Ganja. For today's video, I'm going to be talking about the app Canva and how I personally love to use it. I'm also going to be giving you guys some tips and tricks to take with you to hopefully help you guys in your future projects. So without further ado, get your bowls ready, get your blunts ready, get your dabs ready, whatever you're smoking out of ready, and let's go. Before we start, I'm gonna go ahead and take a hit out of my pen. This is some Super Jack and it's super fucking good. So cheers. If you guys aren't familiar with Canva, it's a free app where you can pretty much use so many different templates and graphic designs to just help boost your visual content. Even though that the Canva app is free, I'm mostly going to be talking about the features that come in the Pro version, which I highly recommend. The Pro version is a monthly subscription, but honestly, if you're constantly creating content, if you're a small business owner, or even if you're a teacher, this app is just chef's kiss. For example, I love using Canva to help with my content. The app makes it so easy for me to quickly create thumbnails because they have a list of design templates that I can use, or I can get even more creative and create something from scratch. All I have to do is just change up what I need and that's it. I also don't even have to worry about the dimensions because it's already set to what I need. And did I mention that this app is cannabis friendly? So it's so easy to look up cannabis related images or designs, and it's all in one place. I also love to use Canva for my small businesses. I run a couple of shops on Etsy, and Canva makes it so easy for me to create mock-ups for my listings. I also use the app to help create logos and images for my website. Like these activity books that I sell on Amazon, they were all created on Canva. Can you believe that? Crazy. And like I mentioned before, this app is perfect for teachers because it has a variety of worksheet templates that you could use for your students. And if you're a pro user, everything that you see here, you could all use. Resumes are another perfect thing to create on Canva. Whether you want something simple, something modern, or maybe something with a pop of color, there's so many designs to choose from. For example, this resume, I decided to do something a little bit creative and then also put a little Canva-friendly twist to it. I incorporated some cannabis images. I feel like this resume is perfect for like a dispensary job or anything that's cannabis related. All right, guys, I think that is it for this video. If there's anything else I want to add, I'll go ahead and put it in the description. If there's something that you would like to add, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Also, if you do enjoy these types of videos, please go ahead and hit the like button, or you can comment down below and let me know that you want more. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.